Lainey, are you brushing the horse? Lainey, are you brushing the horse? Lexi brushing the horse? Brushing the horsey? Brush the horsey. Good job, Lainey. Good job, Lainey. Good job. Come here, Lex. Come brush the horse, Lexi. Lexi got a brush too.
Oopsie.
Uh-oh. What'd you do, Lex? Is it okay? Give me a kiss.
Lexi.
Let me kiss it.
Do this.
Brush, yes, brush it. Comb it and brush it. Good job.
Brush this. Brush me.
Everything goes down on the ground?
Feed the horsey carrot. Lexi, feed. Nana.
Yes, sugars.
Go for carrot.
No, Kaden, not right now. Not right this minute.
You just want to give this carrot.
Uh-oh.
She's not crying or anything.
I know, but falling over that.
Here.